Good afternoon to all of you. We were talking about the chapter metals and non-metals. Okay, metals and non-metals. So, with the help of activities, we have seen what are the metals. Okay, metals. With the help of this activity number 3.1, we have completed. Okay, and activity number 3.2 also we have completed. So, what we have seen, what we have concluded that metal. Okay, and this is related with the property. This is related with the property, physical property. Okay, we are discussing right now about physical properties of metals. Okay, physical properties about metals and non-metals. So what we have seen, it is difficult to cut. Okay, it is difficult or the very first property is what? It gives luster. Okay, the surface is shiny. Okay, so the surface is shiny for the metals. Okay. Second conclusion with the help of second activity, what we have learned, it is difficult to cut. Okay, it is difficult to cut the metals. Okay, like iron है. Okay, iron को हम लोग जैसे कट नहीं कर सकते easily. Okay, so iron, then copper, aluminium. Okay, aluminium है या फिर magnesium. So it is very difficult to cut these. Okay, इनको cut करना बहुत ही difficult है. Iron, copper, aluminium, magnesium. But there is one exception. Okay, so sodium is the exception. Sodium can be easily cut. Okay, exceptions. Exception to this is sodium. Sodium is the metal. It is soft metal and it can be cut by a sharp knife. Okay, ये देखा था हम लोगों ने. Now we'll see the next activity. Okay, now we'll see the next activity to find out the metals. Okay, whether they are hard or not. Okay. So activity number 3.3. All of you look at the activity number 3.3. Okay. Activity number 3.3. What it is mentioned? Take pieces of iron, zinc, lead, and copper. Okay. So we have to take the pieces of iron, Fe, and zinc, lead, and copper. Okay, copper. So these four metals, we have to take the pieces of these four metals. Place any one metal on a block of iron. Okay. So place any one metal. Consider this iron you have kept on a block of. Okay. एक छोटा सा पीस लिया आपने आयरन का और उसको आपने ये मेटल के ऊपर ऐसे रखा. ओके. तो आयरन ब्लॉक ऑफ आयरन के ऊपर रखा. ब्लॉक ऑफ आयरन के ऊपर आपने रखा. कौन सा पीस रखा आपने? ये Fe, दैट इज आयरन का ही एक छोटा सा पीस लिया एंड you have strike it. Okay, strike it 4 or 5 times with a hammer. Okay, और hammer से क्या किया हमने? By using hammer we strike this iron piece. Okay, this is the piece of metal, iron metal, which is kept over this block of iron, and by using hammer we have hammered this piece. Okay, what you will observe? क्या होता है? Yes, समर्थ क्या होता है? Yes, मनस्वी क्या होता है? When you will strike, it will convert into sheets. It will convert into sheet. It will convert into very small thin sheets. Okay, small thin sheet में ये convert हो जाएगा. Okay. So what do you observe? Repeat other metals. तो जिंक के साथ भी ये करो. Okay, जिंक को भी ऐसे लो block of iron पे and hammer it. Okay, hammer it, strike it 4-5 times. Lead को भी लो, copper को भी लो. What you are observing? So it is converting. Okay, so metals take a form of sheets on breaking, and this property that it converted into sheets. Metal when strike with the help of hammer, it is converted into sheets, and this property is called as malleability. This property is called as malleability. You have to remember this. Okay, the property shown by meters. Okay, so समझ में आया सब लोगों को क्या होता है malleability means? So whenever the metal is hammered, okay, is hammered multiple times, so it will convert into sheet, and this conversion of sheet is property of metal that is called as the malleability. Okay, so did you know that the gold and silver are the most malleable metals? So gold, okay, gold अगर देखो क्या gold and silver, okay, Ag and this formula A. Okay. So these two metals are most malleable metals. They are most malleable metals. Why they are most malleable metals? It can be converted into sheets. Okay, easily it can be converted into sheets. Okay. समझ में आया सब लोगों को? Yes? Have you understood? Okay. So this is the property. Right now we are studying about the physical property. अभी हम लोग जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो कौन सी है? Physical property. तो देखो, first वाली हो गई luster. Then it is difficult to cut. Metals. Okay, there are some exceptions. Third property क्या होगी? Malleability. Third property क्या होगी? Malleability. Now, with the help of fourth activity, we will study the next activity. Activity number 3.4. Consider some metals such as iron, copper, aluminium and lead. Okay. So check these metals. Activity number 3.4. Consider metals like iron. Okay, iron, copper, aluminium and lead. Okay, इनको लो. Which of the above metals are also available in the form of wires? कौन से ऐसे मेटल्स हैं जो वायर के फॉर्म में आपको दिखाई देते हैं? ओके, सो दैट एबिलिटी ऑफ एनी मेटल टू ड्रॉ इनटू थीन वायर्स, मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, एबिलिटी ऑफ मेटल्स टू ड्रॉ टू कन्वर्ट into wire, okay, to convert into thin wires, okay, thin wires. So आपने देखा होगा कि जो घर पे जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के जो कनेक्शन होते हैं उसमें क्या होता है, कभी खोल के देखा है? कौन सा मटेरियल होता है उसमें? कॉपर होता है. क्या होता है? कॉपर. So ability of metals to drawn into thin wires, this property is called as ductility. This property is called as ductility. The fourth property, that is the ductility. You have to remember what is the malleability, that these pieces, iron pieces, after striking it can convert into sheets, and whenever any metal is drawn into thin wires, wires उसके बनते हैं. आपने देखा होगा आयरन के भी वायर्स दिखाई देंगे आप लोगों को, बराबर है, कॉपर के भी वायर्स दिखाई देंगे आप लोगों को, ओके, एल्यूमिनियम के भी वायर्स दिखाई देंगे आप लोगों को. सो व्हाट यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग, सो दीस आर डक्टाइल, ओके, दीस आर कॉल्ड एज डक्टाइल मटेरियल, और these metals are ductile. This is the one of the property of metal की प्रॉपर्टी होती है that their ductility can be drawn into wires. Okay, so these are the examples. So you will be very surprised to know that अगर 1 ग्राम हमने गोल्ड लिया, 1 ग्राम हमने क्या लिया? गोल्ड लिया, और and if we want to make a wire from it, okay, तो बहुत ही थीन, बहुत ही बारीक इसका जो वायर है कितने किलोमीटर तक बनता है? 2 किलोमीटर तक उसका वायर बन सकता है. समझ में? 1 ग्राम, only 1 gram of gold can be drawn into very thin wire. Around 2 kilometers wire can be prepared by 1 gram of gold. Okay, so this property is called as a ductility. So gold is more ductile. आप देख सकते हो gold क्या है? Gold is more ductile. Okay, बहुत ही ductile है. So gold is most ductile. मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ gold is most ductile metal. Okay, gold क्या है? Most ductile metal है. Okay. तो समझ में आया आप लोगों को प्रॉपर्टीज. सो वेरी फर्स्ट इज द लस्ट्रस, इट इज रिलेटेड विद द शाइनिंग. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द मेटल surface आर शाइनिंग. ओके, इफ यू विल rub it with some sandpaper, okay, polished paper. Once again, it will become much shiny. Okay. Second is difficult to cut. Most of the metals are difficult to cut with the help of sharp knife. Okay, sharp अगर knife से आपको कट करना है तो बहुत ही difficult होता है उसको कट करना. Okay, because उसकी वैसे प्रॉपर्टी होती है that it is difficult to cut. But there are some exceptions. सोडियम है, ओके, पोटेशियम भी है, पोटेशियम भी सॉफ्ट मेटल है. ओके, थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी देखा हमने अबाउट मैलिएबिलिटी. ओके, मैलिएबल का मीनिंग होता है दैट इट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू शीट्स. ओके, आपने देखा होगा जब स्ट्राइक करते हैं हम लोग मेटल को तो क्या हो जाता है, शीट्स में बनता है, वो शीट्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, थीन शीट्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ओके, that property is what called as the malleability. Okay, malleability. And most malleable are gold and silver. इसलिए तो जनरली ऑर्नामेंट्स में वगैरह गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर ये जो होते हैं आपने देखा होगा तो दे आर वेरी स्मॉल. Yes, so they are having. So that's why they are most malleable. Okay, that's why they are most malleable. And this is the property of next property, ductility or ductile. Okay, बोलते हैं उसको. So what is the meaning of it? It can be drawn into thin wires. आपने देखा होगा. Okay, आयरन के वायर देखे होंगे, कॉपर के वायर देखे होंगे, एल्यूमिनियम के. So most of the wires आपने देखे होंगे. So they can be drawn into wires. Okay, बारीक बारीक वायर होते हैं. कॉपर के वायर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वायर जो होते हैं उसमें यूज होते हैं कॉपर के वायर. So that is their ability to convert or drawn into the wires. This is called as the ductility. Okay, I hope that you have understood what is the meaning of ductility. So now the next we will understand about its nature when it is heated. Okay, we will understand what will happen if we are heating it. Okay, heating nature. So before starting the discussion, जनरली आपने देखा होगा घर पे जो यूटेंसिल्स होते हैं हमारे वो किसके बने होते हैं. ओके, सो यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट दोस विल कंडक्ट मोर हीट. जो ज्यादा हीट कंडक्ट करते हैं उसके ही होते हैं, मेटल के होते हैं हमारे. बराबर है ना, नॉन मेटल के होते हैं क्या, नहीं, मेटल्स के बने होते हैं मोस्टली. ओके, सो वी विल नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द from which metal our cooking utensil, cooking vessels are made up of. And to understand this we will go through the activity number 3.5. Okay, so we'll go through activity number 3.5. So everyone look at the activity number 3.5. Yes, look at activity number 3.5.